Ayun, wherever you are, work hard.
Andyan siya.
Yun lang.
You better work hard.
You better.
Work hard. At
Ayan.
doon naman sa mga kaibigan mong kapareho mo ang kalagayan ngayon.
Sa mga kaibigan ko, congratulations.
Umami na.
Napaka-saya, di ba? Kaya kung ako sa inyo, ayun. Sana, i-share nyo rin yung napaka-gandang experience din na to, di ba? And, nag-iintay ako dun sa susunod nating reunion, yung Viva Hot Mamas.
Okay.
Tali mo, baby, ano?
Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
At hinihintay lang namin, ihahatid namin siya sa drive-in ng GMA para siguradong wala sa kinalaman dito.
Para siya-
At i-reveal namin yung tatlo pa. Pero hindi sa kanya galing yun, ha? At ito ang dapat yung abangan dahil si James Yap, personal na nakausap ni Ricky Lo tungkol, ikaw mismo, tungkol sa estado ng pagsasama nila ni Chris Aquino. Abangan niya exclusive.
Dito lang sa
Startup at Martin Rivera. Ikaw na.
At Martin Rivera at Paz Fernandez by Paya Pinacris at Kane.
Okay. Maraming salamat and congratulations. Thank you.
Off now.
And wrong.
Martin,
But
and
this is Martin, not
Pops,
James. Not James and Chris.
Yeah.
One or more time. Ito ang pamagat ng kakaibang Valentine concert daw ng dating mag-asawang Martin Rivera at Pops Fernandez sa mismong araw ng mga puso sa SMX Convention Center. Ano ang pagkakaiba nito sa pagtatanghal nila noong isang taon?
This one naman is playing with the whole concept of a soap opera, which really is our life story. Parang soap talaga siya. So the music will be a little bit more Latino-inspired.
Iba, mas meron siyang teleserye feel. So we get to explain through songs. Every teleserye, di ba, may mga sad moments, meron rin naman mga kontrabida moments. And with the help of John Santos, I think it's gonna be very possible. Madami siyang gagawin kasing character for us. So
in last year's show at the Araneta Coliseum, you looked at Pops from head to foot.
I like the original Pops, but I'll take her. I mean, I'm just a guy.
The eyes.
Her eyes are more sparkly. Her cheekbones are more defined. I like her weight now. She's not too thin.
The lips.
The lips are still, they're still biteable. She's very sexy now, very.
Pops, any changes that you notice in Martin?
he looks so good now. Really. No.
Desirable.
Desirable.
Hindi pinalampas ni Ricky Lo na kunan ng insights sina Martin at Pops base sa isang newspaper item tungkol sa mag-asawang James Yap at Chris Aquino. Di umano, sinugod ni Chris ang isang babaeng tagahanga ni James. Nakausap nito sa telepono sa mismong bahay nito sa Pasig City. Martin and Pops, of course, had their share of marital spats before.
How do you feel about it looking back?
Alam mo, looking back, sometimes naiisip ko, baka naman yung kalahati nung nabasa ko na masasakit, hindi naman pala totoo. It's really a challenge to have a great, successful marriage.
It's really sad that they have to share everything with the world. I think we have to save some things for ourselves.
Nowadays, it is different. Nowadays, parang ang napapansin ko, lalong-lalo na sa mga celebrities, parang it's a must to really come out in the open and say how it is.
Narinig ni Chris yung the girl crying on the phone. So, nagkaroon silang a little discussion. Ang ending, pinunta ni Chris yung girl just to stop texting and calling James. Now, there was nothing between the girl and James. Fan lang daw yung girl. How would you react? Kunwari, how would you react if you were in Chris and James situation? Number one, would you run to your room and cry alone? Would you confront the girl? Would you confront the girl? Would you cut off a piece of Martin? Or none of the above?
If I were the Pops back then, okay, no, kasi back then I would just cry in my room. Yeah, but now, wala kasi sa choice mo yung gagawin ko.
Anong gagawin mo? Sige.
Kakausapin ko lang siguro siya, yung guy, not the girl. And I would want to know, straight from him, why is she calling? Because I want to be able to give syempre the guy a chance to explain and to reason out.
To follow what Pop said, once that she has that talk with the guy or with me, will she believe what I say? So, she has to ask herself that question first. She has to either want to believe it or not want to believe it. If you don't believe it, she'll go out of her way to find out if it's someone else.
If you were in James' shoes, would you tell the girl to be discreet? Would you give your wife an extra hug? Go to the bedroom? Or have the wife and the girl, have the wife and the girl sort things out in front of you? Or go away for a while, or none of the above?
I think I would make it more obvious. I mean, I don't know if it's in one of the choices, but I would share that text or that call with her. Yeah, if I wasn't hiding anything.
What advice could you give couples in that situation?
They really have to talk, I think. And maski na masakit, kailangan yata maging honest sa isa't isa. Ang hindi namin nagawa nung araw is really be honest with each other.
That's basic, but it's not easy. It's not honest. I was dishonest. I was unfaithful, but I could not tell her my advice, even though there's no such thing as a perfect relationship. If you don't want to get burnt, stay out of the fire.
Sinamantala na rin ni Ricky Lo ang pagkakataong alamin mula kay Pops ang health condition ng kaibigan niyang si Lizelle Martinez.
I think she knows that we love her very much. Alam naman niya na pag kailangan niya ako, I'm just here. And vice versa, ako pag nangangailangan rin ako ng makakaintindi sa akin, she's one of my true friends that I can run to. So I'm happy that she's doing very well.
Now, does it feel like before?
That's it?
Baka may magalit.
Wala.
Wala. Sa akin, baka may magalit.
That's what I meant. Wala. I know, I'll let you know. We still kiss on the cheek now. We're like trying to be so polite. I'm hoping that she's going to forget her cheek and give me her lips, but not yet.
Okay.
I'll let you know, Rick.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Up later! Dr. Vicky Bello, nang atong hindi mo nakakausapin ng ilang buwan ang dating kasintahan na si Hayden Co. Jr. Huwag kaya, alamin natin mismo yan kay Dr. Vicky Bello. Mamaya, okay? Up next!
Bianca King, sinisisi nga ba ni Krista Ranillo sa mahinang performance sa takilya ng pelikula nilang Wapakman? Susunod na yan. Dito lang.
Just say siguro yung mga nanay, yung mga maraming mga nanay at babae na nasaktan o na turn off na apektuhan. And that's just natural.
Chris Aquino, kinumpronta nga ba ang pinaghihinalaang babae ng asawang si James Yap? Ang buong detalye sa kwentong ito, mapapanood ngayong hapon sa Star Talk Timeline. Abangan!